Ta-da! There was a free shuttle from the parking. So, bawal umakyat dito ang private cars. And hindi namin alam na may foods dito. Bumili kami sa baba. Very expensive food. Super blue ng water. Amazing.
Making drama again, causing trouble.
Nahulog niya yung shades. We just bought it yesterday. Good job.
Tinataas na lang. Wala ka, kakabili.
Good job, girl. Very nice.
Bagaw.
Ay, bababa kami. Pagpagalitan na nagdo-drone. Sige, mag-drone ka lang, girl. Para maiwan. Oh, guys. May tilapia rin ng Dubai. Guys, ang laki. Is this still tilapia?
It's a koi tilapia.
Hala, ang laki.
Oh my god.
Scary. The fish might eat me. Ay! Video here.
It's still there, they cannot move.
Why?
It's a video.
Yeah. Just don't do anything. There is air is good, he will move.
We're in the Hatadam doing kayak. Nantay namin si Pao and Auntie because they're not moving. And me, I'm not paddling. Manang Joy will paddle for us. Guys, look at the fish. They're coming to me. Gusto yata nilang maging sarsyado. Ang lalaki, nakakatakot. Parang kakainin niya naman ako ngay. Sumusunod sila. Go, Manang. Paddle. Row, row, row your boat gently down the Hatadam. Merrily, 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 gently down the water. It's so nice. What's that? Pwede dumaong doon sa island. Malamig yung hangin pero yung tama ng araw, sakit.
Kasi mga naka-single boat pala na ganyan. Kapag sila, ano?
Ayun, no, single. Manang Tokoy. Can you turn your back? Ay! Hi! Just kidding. Do not turn your back. My vlog. What can you say about Hata?
Hata?
It's
Hata is
very
just
hot.
like a normal place.
Better in Canada.
Of course.
I should go to Canada. Andiyan na pala sila, Auntie, oh. Fun. Paolo's there and Auntie. They made it.
Ha? Nakang kayo ba? Yeah. Napuntang kayo ba? Nabasa pa yung kayak yun.
Manang Grace and Kuya Ahmad in front. Go, papatalo ka ba, girl? Racing. Paolo and Auntie. Yay, we're together.
Ito na mga Sister Rakas.
You're going to watch this 5 years later. You are in Hatadam.
Hatadam.
Whatever problem you have 5 years from now. Remember.
Remember, you were in Hatadam.
We're in Hatadam.
January 5, 2025.
Kayaking is so tiring.